What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Right now I am in Fountain Valley at a 55 plus community called Rancho La Siesta. This is a beautiful community with a lot of new homes, some vacant spaces, but they go very quickly. But I wanted to take a moment to show you guys how beautiful this community is. There's a lot of great opportunity. This is a great place to retire. They have a swimming pool, a clubhouse, and as you can see, this home is very well maintained. All the residents seem to be very active. This is something, there's a lot of residents out walking around on this Thursday afternoon in Southern California, but take a look at it. It is so beautiful. Very large streets, large spaces, large homes. And so now I wanted to show you this section of the park that I love so very much. But let's go take a look at the clubhouse and swimming pool. Oh, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We premiere new videos as much as possible of new homes, tiny homes, manufactured homes, park models, and pre-owned mobile homes. So let's go check out the clubhouse. All right, we had to get out of the car again. There are just so many beautiful homes. I think I'm just gonna walk to the clubhouse to show you guys around this community. If you or your family, somebody 55 years of age or older, are looking to live in a leased land community, it's a very safe community. But take a look at all these new homes, the half front porches. I love all the different colors of these homes. They're a lot more modern than usual. There are new homes mixed with older homes, but the older homes are all still very well maintained. Take a look at this home. Oh, the sun is just brutal here. But let's check this out. Tell me what you think about this home if you can see it in the sun here in the description. I'm sorry, leave a comment. I'm just so amazed by this home that I'm saying the wrong words. But as you can see, this is a beautiful community. And I promise now we're gonna head to the clubhouse so you can finally see the clubhouse. We will not stop again. Now we are at the office, and to kind of show you around here, it's a little bit busy time of day, but take a look at how beautiful and well maintained all the landscaping is. These owners have done a great job. They take great care of their community. And again, more new, very nice manufactured homes. All these residents take so much pride in their home, which is awesome. These residents love how close Rancho La Siesta, how close it is to shopping, and there's some hospitals nearby or doctor's offices. We're gonna go inside here. So they provide some nice homey furniture. They also have a piano over there, an entertainment center. That's always nice. And here's where the swimming pool is. We'll go out there in a minute. But this way, we are going to see what this is. They got a kitchen. You could have your friends and family and neighbors over and cook anytime you want with this chef grill. More lounge areas. Residents like to gather back here, get some peace and quiet. And it just keeps going on. And look at all these libraries. You could use the books Now we're gonna go out over here to the left. But this is such a great place for you or your parents. All the residents are so friendly. In the summertime, this is where all the residents like to relax and congregate. This is a very active community. As you saw in the earlier part of this video, all the residents that were riding their bikes or taking walks. So if you're interested in learning more, make sure you contact us 866-720-2207. And check out our website for the largest selection of new manufactured homes. We have over 60 floor plans. So check it out, www.homequestsales.com.